Okay students, we do question number 8. We need to have a graph. So you don't have to draw this, but I am drawing to show you the question. So we have the 0 point, we have the x-axis and you have the y-axis, and then at this point y is equal to 5, you have a line there. There is a straight line hitting y is equal to 5. Okay, now we have a curve which is drawn like this. So you have a curve, it is moving like this, and this curve is given y is equal to x raised to the power 1 over 2 positive 4 times x raised to the power of negative 1 over 2, and you have a coordinate a which is 1 comma 5, and then you have another coordinate, this point b, which is 16 comma 5. Now you have to find the equation of the tangent to the curve at A. Now the curve is actually having an intersection with the line y is equal to 5, but of course this point is A. This point A is on the curve y is equal to x raised to the power 1 over 2 positive 4 times x raised to the power negative 1 over 2. So let me start off the solution in this fashion. Given the equation of the curve, so what is the equation of the curve? Y is equal to x raised to the power 1 over 2 positive 4 times x raised to the power of negative 1 over 2. We need the slope. We need the slope at A of 1 comma 5. So that is required. So for that we differentiate with respect to x. So dy over dx is going to be 1 over 2 times x raised to the power 1 over 2 negative 1 positive 4 times, this is negative 1 over 2 times x raised to the power of negative 1 over 2 negative 1. This would give me 1 over 2 times 1 over 2 negative 1, that's negative 1 over 2 positive 4 times negative 1 over 2, and this is going to be x raised to the power of negative 3 over 2. I can rewrite this as 1 over 2 times x raised to the power of negative 1 over 2, and this is negative 2 times x raised to the power of negative 3 over 2. Now we can push everything to the new denominator. It's going to be 1 over 2 times x raised to the power of 1 over 2 negative 2 over x raised to the power of 3 over 2. Now this is my dy over dx, but we need dy over dx at the point 1 comma 3, that is x is equal to 1, y is equal to 3. So if I were to substitute x is equal to 1, I would get 1 over 2 negative 2 over 1. Now if I were to simplify this, I am showing you here, so 1 over 2 negative 2, 1 minus 4 over 2, which is negative 3 over 2. So therefore the slope is negative 3 over 2. You can block that. Now let me move on to the next page. Now if you see here, the curve is actually passing through the point 1 comma 5, right? So I'm going to state that since the curve passes through 1 comma 5, the equation of the tangent is of the form y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus x1, which can be utilized with the values we know to provide the equation of the tangent. Of course, you don't have to write all these things. So these are the informations that we will be using. So since the curve passes through a of 1 comma 5 and the equation of the tangent is this, so this would mean y minus y1 is 5 and slope is negative 3 over 2, x negative 1. Right, the slope is negative 3 over 2. So you can simplify this. So it's going to be cross multiply. 2 of y negative 5 is equal to negative 3 of x negative 1. 2y negative 10 is negative 3x positive 3. So 2y is equal to negative 3x positive 3 positive 10. So 2y is negative 3x positive 13. So y is equal to, push this 2 down, so 3 over 2 times x positive 13 over 2. So this is the equation of the tangent. Therefore this is the equation of the tangent at A. That's what they want. Okay, fair enough. So we have got this, so you can watch the working. Okay, having got that, let me show you the next part. Now the next part wants us to find the area of the shaded region, right? So let me write that. Part 2, B. We need to find the area of the shaded region. Now if you observe this, over here the region is bounded by x is equal to 1 on the left and x is equal to 16 on the right, and above y is equal to 5 and below y is equal to x over 1 over 2 positive 4 times x raised to the power of negative 1 over 2. Okay, so therefore I'm going to utilize this, the required area. Therefore required area is equal to integral, I gave you the bound 1 to 16, x raised to the power of 1 over 2 positive 4 times x raised to the power of negative 1 over 2 negative 5 times dx. So we need to integrate this. So let us do that. So this is equal to, I'm going to distribute the integral sign. So 1 to 16 x raised to the power of 1 over 2 times dx, 4 times integral 1 to 16 x raised to the power of negative 1 over 2 times dx, negative 5 times integral 1 to 16 times dx. You integrate this, you get x raised to the power of 1 over 2 positive 1 divided by 1 over 2 positive 1, 1 to 16, and positive 4 times x raised to the power of negative 1 over 2 positive 1, negative 1 over 2 positive 1, negative 5 times x 1 to 16, 1 to 16. So this can be rewritten as 3 over 2. So you flip that, you get 2 over 3 times this is x raised to the power of 3 over 2, right? So 1 to 16 positive, this is 1 over 2, right? So you flip it, you get 4 times 2, and this is x raised to the power of 1 over 2, negative 1 over 2 positive 1 will give you 1 over 2, 1 to 16, negative 5 times x, it stays as it is. I don't want to apply the limit for this alone, so we will do it as a whole. So this is 2 over 3. Now you apply 16, in place of x you substitute 16, but I'm going to rewrite it like this: 16 raised to the power of 1 over 2, the whole raised to the power of 3, followed by negative 1 raised to the power of 3 over 2, that will give us 1, followed by 8. Similarly 16 raised to the power of 1 over 2, negative 1 raised to the power of 1 over 2, negative 5 times 16 minus 1. So this would give you 2 over 3. Square root of 16 is 4. So 4 raised to the power of 3. 4 was a 16. 16 times 4, that's 64. Minus 1. Positive 8 times, this is 4 minus 1. Negative 5, 15. right? So this will give you 63. So 2 over 3 times 63, positive 8 times 4 negative 1, that's 3, 5 into 15, that's 25 to 75, 3 divides here 2 and 1, so you get 2 times 21 plus 8 times 3, 24, negative 75. So you can simplify this. This will give you 42 plus 24, that's 6 and 6, negative 75. So from 75 you take away 66. So what do you get? You get a 9 there, negative 9. But we cannot have area to be as negative, so we need to try it positive. So 9 area, 9 square units, and you can block that result. Okay, so that's the solution for this question.